This is the 200 pages of the thermal printer paper, and this printer paper is connected at the back, which is really cool because if you have a thermal printer that allows you to print continuously, this will just keep feeding as you go. This paper is BPA free, and I bought this paper because I just wanted a bunch of paper that I didn't have to constantly feed. Now, I've got my thermal printer right here, and real quick, I'm actually going to load this up so you can see it at work. Now, this guy is going to grab the paper right here. Boom, it just grabbed it, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to print it out so you can see the quality of this paper right here. So right there, you're already seeing test PDF, and this is just printing out a page with just some copy text there just so we can see how it looks. But as you can see right there, there is the kind of perforated edge, and you can tear this off very easily, and I'll show you that in a second here once this print gets done. So it's printing, it's printing. All right, here we go. It's going to keep going. Perfect. All right, I'm going to move this back a little bit and show you. If I go like this and I pull off, boom, there you are. Fresh page. I don't have to worry about it. It's all done. So if you're in the market for some printer paper, thermal printer paper, I really like this stuff and I highly recommend it.